Okay, it's college prep statistics, and this is Mr. Childs. A few things since we've last spoke. Remember, we are now in a grading format of F0 is you don't do the work at all. P1 means you partially did the assignments but did not complete. And P2 means you completed and you did it to the best of your abilities. Last Friday, I asked you for those assignments that we had to do, if you would give yourself a self-assessment, a self-grade. And I've heard from many of you, but there's still some out there that I haven't seen or heard from. So if you are in that group, please let me know soon. I will change your grade. I know we're just getting started here. All your grades should be changed now to this new format of F0, P1, P2, even the grades that you had before. The grades that were in prior to this situation we're in, I just put them all as you did them. So if you didn't do it, you lucked out because I just kind of wanted to start with an equal footing here. So everyone clear on that? You're clearing on the grade. Now, moving ahead, I want to have more contact relatively via a little questions of the day and then quick responses from you back at me. So we'll do it like a little probability quick lesson with a quick answer, and you can shoot me a text back, and that way we can you can kind of keep the skills moving, and I can keep in touch with you. I think that's the big theme during this problem that we're having in the world right now, is to keep good contact. So please contact me, and we'll try to keep things loose here. Okay? So today I wanted to look at some probability. So I made up a little problem for us back here, and it deals with the weather. The weather this time of year can be very disappointing. I thought yesterday's weather was quite disappointing. So, hey, that's got you two here. Anyone like that group? They're one of my favorites. Back to probability. We're going to say that this time of the year, the average probability of a good day is 40%. And the average probability for a bad day is 60%. Okay? We'll say that is a long run type of look. Now, we're going to look at that fifth rule, the multiplication rule, and we're going to say, what is the probability of having a good week, meaning every single day is good this time of year? Now, it's always good to guess what you might think will happen. Do you think there's a good chance that this time of year in Maine that we have a good day every day? I'm talking weather. I'd say no, not very good. So let's look at it. Now, we said that we can multiply these probabilities together provided that each outcome is independent. And I'm going to say it is independent. So we've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We won't count the weekend. We'll just count the days during the school week. So each day is good weather. All 40%. So I take my little calculator out and say, we're going to multiply those all together. So 0.4 to the fifth power, or 0.4 times 0.4 times 0.4 times 0.4 times 0.4. And we get that relatively very low chance of it happening here. 0.01024. In other words, there is a little over 1% chance that every day would be good weather. Let's reverse it and say, what's the chance that every day is bad weather? Would you think it's higher or lower? I think higher. And let's see if it is so. So Monday, 60%, Tuesday, 60%, Wednesday, 60%, Thursday, 60%, Friday, 60%. So 0.6 to the fifth power is equal to 0.7776. So once again, the chance of it being good all week is 1%. The chance of it being bad all week is 7%. So what I am going to do now is I am going to, first of all, I will process this video and send it out to you. Then I will send you a Google Doc, and I am going to ask you to do the same, but I'm going to kind of tinker with this 40 and 60%. And what I would have you do is to give me the probability of good weather all week and the probability of bad weather. And we'll use the problem heading as weather, okay? So you be looking for that, and let me see if I've missed anything. So first of all, if you have any question about what we're doing or anything, please contact me. I have been instructed to keep in touch with you with lessons, but not get into a lot of depth because of the difficulty of this new venue. But I think there's great potential for success here too. I like doing this, and I hope you do. So I will talk to you soon, and I will get that problem out to you shortly. Thank you.